What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you, let me show you, that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from swing low to swing high, as you can see, we hit exactly the golden pocket, and statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal. And I've told you that we can have at least a bounce from this range, and this bounce happened, but instead of breaking this swing high, we fell lower. And let me clean the chart a little bit. As you can see, from this point we hit again this support line, and it was a very strong support from the top of our first wave that I marked previously, and eventually we broke it to the downside. And right here, as you can see, we have very good bounce from our major support line, and basically it is a triple bottom pattern. So, I will show you what should we expect next in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. For now we are sitting at $2.08 trillion of total market cap. It is a huge decrease of 6.29% over the last day, and as you can see, major cryptocurrencies are in red. Basically the entire market is in red, and it is a very bearish sign. And definitely crypto.com coin also has a huge decrease in its price. So for now its total market cap is $12.74 billion. It's down for about 9%, and the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $279.46 million, and it's higher for 63.27%. As you can see, we have this huge decrease in price with the increase in volume, and it is quite bearish sign. So what was the reason of this massive sell-off across the entire crypto market? First of all, let me show you this. On January the 5th on Seeking Alpha we have this article that is titled "Bitcoin dips below $45,000 following hawkish Fed minutes. US dollar turns higher." The trade-weighted US dollar outshines Bitcoin after the Federal Open Market Committee minutes revealed that faster rate hikes may be necessary to offset surging inflation. Bitcoin, the world's largest digital currency by market cap, dips below its key $45,000 technical level to as low as $43,600 per token, now changing hands at $44,300. The crypto is trading about 5% below its 200-day simple moving average on a 52-week time frame. And let me quote you this: "Bitcoin is not loving a hawkish Fed today, with institutional involvement up, correlation to broader markets up," ex-ante data founder Jens Nordving writes in a Twitter post. And I completely agree. We have the bloodbath not only on the crypto market, but we have a huge sell-off around the traditional stock market. And Bitcoin follows the stock market for now because of the involvement of institutional investors. But we have one more news that drives the price of Bitcoin lower. And we are on CoinGape.com, and this article was published just 6 hours ago, and it's titled "Kazakhstan's internet shutdown drops Bitcoin hash rate by 12%. Will it impact BTC price?" And let me quote you this: "Bitcoin could see some price volatility in the near term, resulting from civil unrest going on in Kazakhstan. Following prolonged protests in the Central Asian country, the president declared a shutdown of internet services that has so far resulted in a 12% drop in the hash rate of the Bitcoin network. Kazakhstan is notable as the second largest contributor to the hash rate of the Bitcoin network. The Central Asian country that is a neighbor to China accounts for as much as 18% of the hash rate of Bitcoin, behind the US and ahead of Russia. The drop in the hash rate of Bitcoin was pointed out by the VP of Research at the blog Crypto, Larry Semak. So, I have to say that Kazakhstan experiencing huge problems with the government, and they also have potential energy crisis that might lead to much lower prices for Bitcoin. And that's why we have this massive sell-off around all the cryptocurrencies, and Crypto.com coin was also impacted by this event. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, I have to say that we are pretty much invalidated this count because we didn't have the third wave to the upside. We break first of all the top of our first wave, and this breakout invalidated our structure as a motive wave. But as long as we hit again the bottom of the initial movement, we pretty much invalidated this count for 100%. And that's why we have to start our analysis from scratch from this very point. So, first of all, let me zoom out a little bit and let me show you the bigger picture of this asset. Right here, as you can see, we had a strong movement to the upside from the end of September till the end of November. And for now, we have, let me clean the chart a little bit, we have this very strong triple bottom pattern. And I have to say that as long as this pattern holds, we still have our targets at the ranges of about $1.12, $1.29 and $1.8 marks. But if we will break it to the downside, this will pretty much invalidate this count, and we will see lower prices with the Crypto.com coin in upcoming future, and we will definitely hover for a longer period of time around the levels of below 50 cents. So, and let me show you in details the latest movement. Let's switch to hourly time frame. So, as you can see, let me show you right here. We have this huge movement with amazing volume. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, we have to wait, because for quite some time we should hover in the ranges in between 52 cents and about 47 cents. We will hover for quite some time around these ranges. And in my opinion, we have a possibility to retest this support, and if this support holds, we will definitely have a major movement to the upside from this range, and at this point, when we will see higher highs and higher lows, it will indicate that we might enter the position with this asset. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!